Good afternoon, everybody. I'm hoping day one of semester one, 2018, went well. Um, when you registered or accepted the invitation to Google Classroom today, I imagine some of you would have realized that I posted a few links on the stream for our classroom. The first link would have been to this screencast, of course, and the second um, would be to this website here called Symbaloo. And what this is, it's a way of indexing or cataloging various websites and resources in a very visually appealing, user-friendly way. So this is a Symbaloo homepage that has been prepared for me by the good people at Symbaloo. Some very popular sites, some news sites, some shopping, some social media and such. But what is exceptionally cool about this website is this feature, your ability to create your own mixes of websites that you'll be frequenting. And I took the time to create this mix of sites that we'll be visiting regularly throughout the course. So I sent you here to, first of all, show you how to use it and how to share it. But I also wanted to lead you to a couple specific sites that we really need to familiarize ourselves with that we can use as a resource or for you to make your own discoveries. So, I suppose I should show you how to make a tile. So it's very user-friendly. There's two ways. You can left-click, and these options come up. So you can create a tile, you put in the URL, you can edit that information, or you could simply right-click and type in URL, Instagram.com, hit the check mark, and there it is, a link to Instagram that has been added to the mix. Okay, so the first site I wanted to direct you to was this one, Compound Interest. So what this site does is it creates really cool infographics based on an index. So it categorizes all the different areas or disciplines in chemistry, biochem, chemical reactions, and so forth. Or you could conduct a search. So let's just say we were just learning about single displacement reactions and you wanted to know about one involving lead. You could perform a simple search. What did we get? Well, all of these infographics involve lead in some way. Oh, and here we come to one that might fit our specific needs. So if we click on that, you can see that we have a very nice, colorful, visually appealing infographic with some text underneath that goes on to explain the visual. And all of these visuals are Creative Commons, which means we are free to use them as long as we're not profiting in the process. So if we click on it, there we get a nice enlarged version that you could add to your own notes, add to a presentation, etc. Okay, so that's one site that I wanted you to see tonight. The second would be PhET. So you may have used these throughout your grade 9 and 10 science career, but we'll be using them quite frequently. So we're just going to click on Play Simulations. And we're going to click on Chemistry. And what I would like you to do today is to search through some of these simulations, like balancing chemical equations or acid-base solutions, anything you may have done in grade 10, building a molecule, building an atom, that you may not have seen since semester 1 of last year. So please take some time tonight to go through some of those. As you can see, there's things that relate to the grade 11 curriculum as well, like properties of gases and molarity and polarity. So we'll be visiting this site quite frequently. Let me get rid of that. Okay. So once you've done that, lastly, I'd like you to go to one more place, and this is Padlet. All right. This is a really great way to communicate and collaborate, and as you can see, I've already set up a Padlet for us, but when you click on Padlet, you're not going to come to this location. You'll be led to a screen that looks like this. So here, what I would like you to do is to sign up, create an account. Okay, so as you can see, it's free. So sign up, sign in using your My Tools to Go account. Then what is going to happen is you are going to have a dashboard just like this. Now at this point, yours will be empty. But what I would like you to do is to click Join a Padlet. Okay? So when you click Join a Padlet, it'll say Paste Padlet URL. So the third link posted on Google Classroom, you will copy and paste it right into this location, and it will bring us, or bring you here. So as you can see, I have created this Padlet for us. So this is just an ongoing collection of sticky notes, you could say. This will allow us to communicate with each other 24/7 on a variety of topics. And as you can see, I posted. In order to post, all you have to do is double click, and you can see a new window comes up. You can put in the title of your choice, and you're prompted to write something. Down below, you can put in a photograph, Google search, a link, upload something from your own device, or over here, it gives you the option to include all of these types of media into your post. Okay, so just take a second, let's read through what I posted. Welcome to SEH3U. Please take a moment to share something about yourself with the group. Your post-secondary aspirations, interests, passions, concerns, etc. Feel free to include your favorite photo or a voice message. We'll be returning to this space often to communicate and collaborate. So your task this evening is to all please follow the instructions provided, go into Padlet, and tell us something about yourself.